In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Timeframe Sierra chart. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can confidently switch between intervals and see exactly the level of detail you need in your charts. First, make sure you have a chart open in Sierra chart. With a chart visible, direct your attention to the very top of the application window. You'll see a toolbar running across the top, and on that toolbar are the interval, or timeframe, buttons. These are clearly labeled with shortcuts like 1M, 5M, 10M, 30M, 1H, DLI, and WE. They stand for 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, daily, and weekly. These buttons control the bar duration of your chart. Bar duration simply means how much time each bar or candle represents. For example, when you click 1M, each bar on the chart will represent 1 minute of trading. If you choose 5M, each bar condenses 5 minutes of price action. Selecting 1H groups data into 1-hour bars, while DLI shows 1 bar per trading day, and WE shows 1 bar per trading week. This is the fastest way to move from a very granular intraday view to a broader big-picture view without changing anything else in your layout. To change the time frame, just click the button for the interval you want. The chart will immediately update to reflect that duration. You'll notice the horizontal time scale at the bottom compress or expand to fit the new interval, and your candles or bars will redraw to match. If you have indicators on the chart, they will automatically recalculate based on the new bar duration, so you don't need to adjust them manually. Use shorter intervals like 1M or 5M when you want to monitor quick intraday moves, fine-tune entries, or observe how price reacts around specific levels. Switch to 30M or 1H to reduce noise and see more structured intraday swings. Move up to DLI or WE to review trends, key support and resistance, and the overall market context. A helpful habit is to click through a couple of these intervals to compare what the market looks like across different time horizons before making decisions. If your chart takes a moment to refresh after clicking, that's normal. Sierra chart is loading and rendering the data for the new interval. You can usually confirm the active interval by the button highlight or by checking the chart's header information. That's all there is to it. Open a chart, find the toolbar at the top, and click the interval button that matches the time frame you want. With these buttons, changing perspective in Sierra chart is fast, clear, and reliable.